Doctor, discovering new recognition of life with Omics Healthcare, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, a global name in healthcare and medical innovations. For the complete care of women, introducing Women's Health Solution with Gynec product range. Ferrogain XT tablets. Get rid of iron deficiency anemia with Ferrogain XT tablets containing ferrous bisglycinate 60 mg, methylcobalamin 500 mcg, folic acid 1 mg and zinc bisglycinate 15 mg. Ferrogain XT is specially formulated with amino acid chelated technology which ensures that 80% of the iron is readily available for absorption, as it does not interact with any of the gastric juices or phytate chemicals present in the GI tract. In iron deficiency anemia, pregnancy and lactation, menorrhagia, PMS and general weakness, recommend Ferrogain XT and fight iron deficiency anemia. Ferrogain XT injection for value-added iron supplement in iron deficiency anemia. Introducing Ferrogain XT injection, iron sucrose 20 mg per ml, the alternative solution for patients intolerant to other IV iron agents. In postpartum recovery, iron deficiency anemia during pregnancy, hemodialysis, recommend Ferrogain XT injection, the only IV form that delivers safety, speed and versatility. Seasomix tablets, presenting the palatable way to treat calcium deficiency. Seasomix tablets. Seasomix contains calcium citrate maleate 250 mg, cholecalciferol 100 IU, and folic acid 50 mcg, the preferred choice for prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. In pregnancy and lactation, osteoporotic individuals, geriatrics, menopause, fractures and dislocations, recommend Seasomix tablets, the no constipation, no GI irritation calcium. Seasomix Plus tablets, presenting the complete and balanced care to keep bone health at its optimum. Introducing Seasomix Plus tablets, which contains calcium citrate maleate 250 mg, the 100% absorbable calcium, along with calcitrol 0.25 mcg and trace elements zinc and magnesium, which play an important role in bone matrix formation. In osteoporosis, elderly people, osteoarthritis and postmenopausal women, please recommend Seasomix Plus tablets, the nutrition to build bone matrix. Vibol DF, a great support whenever you need. Introducing Vibol DF tablets, the combination of methylcobalamin 750 mcg, L-methyl tetrahydrofolate calcium 3 mg, which is 7-fold superior than folic acid, and DHA 200 mg. L-methyl tetrahydrofolate increases folate concentrations and maintains healthy DNA synthesis. In pregnancy, lactation, anemia, diabetic neuropathy, Bell's palsy, recommend Vibol DF, the right care at the right time. Vibol Mom, a daily nutritional supplement for today's mom. Vibol Mom powder. Vibol Mom contains biotin, DHA, saffron, along with digestible whey protein, vitamins and micronutrients to ensure active health support for the special needs of a woman. Doctor, recommend Vibol Mom powder. Linlan, guard against infections with Linlan. ISA brand of amoxicillin and clavulinate potassium 625 mg tablets and 1.2 gram injections. Linlan is well absorbed from the GI tract with convenience of twice daily dosing. In upper respiratory tract infections, LRTI, SSTI, dental infections, genitourinary tract infections, pre and post-operative surgical conditions and bronchitis, recommend Linlan, the authentic and safe choice. Granny, introducing an authentic anti-emetic to cure post-operative emesis. Granny, our brand of Granisetron injection. Granny has 2.6-fold greater duration of action than ondansetron. In hyperemesis gravidum, post-operative nausea and vomiting, radiotherapy and chemotherapy induce nausea and vomiting, recommend Granny, relief beyond your belief. 1 to 10 gold. Restore balance and improve the quality of life with 1 to 10 gold tablets and syrup, which contains multivitamins, multiminerals and glutamic acid. In hypertension, diabetes, chronic illness, respiratory disease, debilitating disease, convulsions and postmenopausal syndrome, recommend 1 to 10 gold, the gold supplement with extra advantage. Rorin O tablets. Don't let GERD disrupt your life. Prescribe Rorin O tablets, our brand of ondansetron 4 mg and omeprazole 10 mg. The combination of a potent proton pump inhibitor and an extremely safe anti-emetic. In GERD, ulcers, dyspepsia, nausea and vomiting, gastritis, recommend Rorin O tablets, provides round-the-clock relief. Roran O injection. Doctor, when patients need more complete prevention, recommend Roran O injections. A combi pack of ranitidine 25 mg and ondansetron 2 mg. In post-operative nausea and vomiting, peptic ulcers, chronic gastritis, recommend Roran O injection. Start strong, last long. Taxted injection. When a life depends on you, depend on Taxted. Our brand of cefotaxime 125, 250, 500 and 1000 mg injection. Taxted is highly effective against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. In genitourinary tract infections, RTIs, intra-abdominal infections, meningitis, surgical prophylaxis and bacterial septicemia, recommend Taxted, the most trusted antibiotic. Taxted O tablets for full blow assault on bacterial infections. Presenting Taxted O, our brand of cefixime 50, 100, 200 mg dispersible tablets. In URTI, LRTI, UTI, acute otitis media, gonococcal urethritis, skin and skin structure infections, recommend Taxted O tablets, totally bactericidal. Prostide injections. Tackle tough times with surety. Introducing Prostide, our brand of Corboprost tromethamine 250 mcg per ml injection. Prostide is indicated for treatment of PPH, aborting pregnancy, and control hemorrhage. Hard times in life, overcome them with Prostide. Softy Best for regular easy bowels. Softy Best suspension containing liquid paraffin 1.25 ml, milk of magnesia 3.75 ml and sodium picosulfate 3.33 mg. In habitual constipation, bedridden patients, early pregnancy, abdominal hernia and constipation associated with piles and fissures, recommend Softy Best, ultimate solution to constipation relief. Useful F. For women's infertility complications, introducing Useful F tablets. Useful F contains green tea standardized, chasteberry, multivitamins and trace elements that balances hormones, supports healthy uterine and ovarian function. Useful F protects from free radical damage. Doctor, recommend Useful F and fulfill your patient's wish.